Hi, I'm Kirly-sue and today I am doing an unboxing. I received this amazing hamper from Montego Foods, the Montego team, and it's got lots of great Caribbean goodies in there. So I'm going to unbox it and show you exactly what I got inside. Before I do that, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell and you will see more videos just like this one. I post videos every single week. So if you do that for me, that would be so great. So let's see what's in the box. So this is what the box looks like. So I'm going to open it. Alright, there's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm going to push it to the side and take them out one by one so you can see. So first of all, we've got Walker's Woods Traditional All-Purpose Mix and Blend Green Seasoning. So that's really good. Yum, that's good for seasoning your savoury dishes. Then we have jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning. This is the hot and spicy one, so I'm not really good with super hot stuff, so I'll be gifting that to someone. Then we have, I haven't seen this before, sweetened condensed coconut milk. Oh wow, see, it is vegan. See it there, it's got the vegan symbol. Cool. I did not know that they did that. That's really good. I can't wait to try that. Then we have light soy sauce. I'll put the link to Jamaica Valley and also to Montego Foods, Montego's African and Caribbean food market. Browning, yeah, there's that as well. A huge bottle of vanilla, which is great. Always use vanilla. Then some black pepper, garlic granules. This is a lot you get in here. Green Scotch bonnet peppers. Kind of classic coconut milk, nutrition from nature, non-dairy alternative. Great. Ooh, some curry powder. Oh, and this curry powder has coconut in it, has it? No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Well, it says it does, but I can't see it. But anyway, curry powder. And we haven't finished yet. Some fine cornmeal, really good. Can make some stuff with that. A big bag of brown sugar, and not one, not two, not three, but four mangoes. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait to try all of that. This is amazing. Thank you so much to Montego Food for sending this to me. This is brilliant. And they do all kinds of different things. You get free shipping, free delivery and shipping for all orders over £65. This is their website. You just, yes, for all your Caribbean things, you go to, hold on, buymontegos.com. Yeah, so Montego's African and Caribbean food market. So that's everything that they sent to me in the box. Now my favorites are obviously the mango. The mango, who doesn't love mango? It's actually mango season, so get your mangoes, people. I'm intrigued with the sweetened condensed coconut milk. I've not tried it before. I've seen it before, but I've not tried it before. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So that's one of my favorites. Cornmeal is always great because I like to make cornmeal pudding. And the mix and the green seasoning. I love Walker's Woods stuff, so I'm looking forward to trying that from them as well. And obviously curry powder. I love curry on virtually anything, so curry powder is going to come in really handy. In fact, I'm saying which are my favorites. I'm just so pleased with everything that they've given me here today, and I'm so grateful for this. Thank you, Montego Foods, for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have a box of stuff that's suitable for vegans and you want to send it to me, please reach out. More than happy to do so. If there's anything in the box that you think would be really great to make a recipe with, comment in the comment section below. If you think, with the cornmeal, make something with the cornmeal, I'm happy to do that. Or anything that you've seen in the box, let me know. So let me just recap. So there's sweetened condensed coconut milk, there's mangoes, there's cornmeal, curry powder, brown sugar, Scotch bonnet peppers, so that's a sauce, it's a green one, browning, green seasoning, classic coconut milk, garlic granules, black pepper, light soy sauce, jerk seasoning, and a huge bottle of vanilla. So any of these, if you want me to make a recipe with it, comment in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, I'm going to be making more ones like this. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.